How to integrate your issues log directly into Revit using Autodesk Construction Cloud. Open Autodesk Docs and choose your Revit model to view the issues in this model. Click on the Issues icon in the toolbar to view all the issues details. In the Issue panel, on the right side, users can see detailed information including the status, description, and assignment of each issue. Let's move to Autodesk Revit. Click on Autodesk Docs, choose your project, and after that open the target model. Now, we have split screen, with the model viewer of ACC in the right side, displays all the issue pins, while the model on the left side does not show any. To import these issues into Revit, access the Issue tab in the toolbar, click on Manage Issues, and then select Reload. Now, all issues exist in the Autodesk Construction Cloud are visible in the Revit interface, where you can choose an issue from the Open Issues and see all of its details. For example, it's required here to increase the handrail's height in the safety issue. So, the modeler will make the required changes according to the description provided in the issue details. Once you've completed your edits, you have the option to add your comments. Also, you can change the issue's status from open to pending or complete. After that, you can repeat these steps for the remaining issues. Consequently, press Save to save your model. Open the Revit Home and click on the refresh icon. After that, click on the More menu and select Publish. If you get back to Autodesk Docs, you now have a new version of the Revit model that includes all the updates. Click on the Issues icon in the toolbar to view all issues in details. In the Issue panel, review all the comments and updates regarding the issue. After reviewing the updates, and if the issue is solved, you can change the status of the issue accordingly. Finally, you can repeat the previous steps for all remaining issues till all your issues are closed.